Alright guys, so we're putting up that here. We put in the footings in there. This is fast setting concrete. So we're doing we didn't flatten the areas yet, but we're gonna get that done later on. So it's 14 by, how big, Raj? 20, right? 14 by 20. So we're doing one footing here. There's one over here. And we're doing 6 footings in here. There's another one over there. One here, one here. So we're gonna level up these posts. I'll be back to show you guys how it's turned out. Alright guys, so we got all the posts up. As you can see, there's 3 of them there and 3 of them over there. We're gonna put up the cross beam going straight across all the way to the last one, the 3rd one over there, in here, and the back over there, and the middle frame. So we gotta notched out all the corners. Alright, we're making some progress. We got some trusses up. We cut all those corners out, like I said. So we're bolting them up. The middle frame there, we had to cut one corner only. This one here, we had to cut both corners. And same goes for that one over there. We're using 5/8 bolt. So we're bolting these down. You can see the garden over there. Alright guys, this is the outdoor shed, outdoor kitchen. The zinc is up there already. I still got to put up some more trusses, but not today. We're gonna concrete this platform here today. We got some rebars here that we're gonna put in. Got a water line here, that red pipe there, and that's a drain there. It's a pretty big shed. So this whole area here is going to be concreted. Over here I got the electrical put in. I got to fix it and turn it around. I think we locked its key down, but that's the electrical. You got all the sprinkler lines in there, and the red one there is the water line drainage. We got a heavy duty cable that runs here that's gonna go in for power too. That's gonna go through the conduit. You got another line here. It's gonna go from here in case I want to pull more cables and go into the garage in there. So that's where we at with this here, this shed. So far it looks good. I got to put in some more reinforcement and some trusses and some side rails and things like that, but we're getting there. There's a garden in the corner over there. Got to clean up Not done as yet. Lots of work. Alright guys, so this is gonna be my outdoor kitchen here. I started building this one set of cabinet coming this way. I'm putting another set here. So I might put an oven in the middle in here. A clay oven, a sink over here, refrigerator at the bottom there maybe, and a grill on top here, and a stove over here. For this space here, I'm not sure. Maybe the clay oven is going to be here, and the sink over there. We're still deciding what we're going to do. Not sure as yet. So we're still building that. The shed look good. So turning the shed into a outdoor kitchen. So that's the shed there. And we're using it to cook still. And get Pit Boss, the Pro Series. It's pretty cool. We used it a few times. It worked with the pallets, coals, and gas. And we use this stove here too. It's a 3-burner, 150 BTUs on it. So I'll update you guys on the kitchen as I progress. Alright guys, a little update on the kitchen, the outdoor kitchen. So I extended out a little back further this way here, and running into a little problem. This here is on top of my water line, so I have to cut that out here and somehow get it in there and fix it. And this is going to be the grill over here. Sorry, over here is the grill. Stove. Sink. Going to be here. And an oven here, where you can bake pizza, baking bread, all kinds of stuff. And yeah, I'm using grain treated on the floor. No regular pine. All these are grain treated. And that's a backsplash over here I'm gonna do. We decided to go up the backsplash here. Gonna go all the way down. As we go along, I'll update you guys. Looking good so far. Things might change. Position for stove and sink and grill might change. We had decided we're gonna put a fireside here, but we changed our mind. We might not put that again. As I progress, I'll show you guys updates. Alright guys, so I got the second coat on here. I take off that plastic in here. And yeah, I got this big boy here helping me out. Okay, nope. And of course Coco is around too. It's been a few hours. You can see it's still cracking a little bit here and there. Still not dry, it's wet. This is gonna take another week or two, depends. I gotta put a fire blanket over it, and then another coat of recipe mud clay, and then I'll plaster it. So when I'm done, I probably is gonna come out all the way out here, not a 4-inch. So right now that's, I think, 2 and 2/4 inch in there, so you can hold that heat pretty good. Come on out of there, boy. So my kitchen is still not finished. Didn't have the time to work on it. Maybe this weekend I'll do some stuff, start putting in some, start framing up these cabinets and stuff like that. This is an outdoor kitchen. We're not buying any cabinets. I'll do my own cabinet here. Outdoor cabinets. And this is my chimney gonna be here. I'll take this out and put some black pipe, like that black pipe there. That's the fireplace in there. In the garage, a wood burning stove. So this is not gas, this is heavy duty black steel wood burning pipes going all the way up. So I'll put a small chimney here, about this high probably. And I have to get some bricks in here, some fire bricks in here too. It's a pretty big oven, as you can see in here. It's huge. It's it looks small, but it's 4 feet in there. 4 feet in diameter. I like the way it's coming out. Alright guys, this is the kitchen here. I'll do the countertop today. I got it ready. I have some chicken wire in here. This is gonna be part of the countertop. I'm doing cement countertop, my own countertop. No one doing it, just me. And this is where the sink is gonna be. I'll start my mixture in a few minutes here. And this is where my stove is gonna be, a big 3-burner stove. This is close to 4 feet. And a small little countertop here. It's a stove, sink, and a grill, charcoal and gas grill is gonna be here. And of course the pizza oven is over here. Another couple coats will have to go on in there. It's still cracking up. I'll let it crack a few more times and we'll see how it goes. I gotta put some door on here. I'll do a skin coat on these cabinets over here. It's a 2-door there, another double door, and one more double door here. I'll do the backsplash later. We're trying to do it not too cheap, but it'll come out pretty good. And this is gonna be concrete countertop, 2-inch thick. I'll update you guys while it's going along.